Hey guys, it's Christy, your warranty supervisor with Providence Homes. Today we're going to talk about changing your air filter. Keeping the airflow free and clear gives you the most energy efficiency out of your unit and keeps your unit running properly. First, we're going to check the filter. Take the door off. Pull it out. And as you can see, it's dirty, so it's time to change your filter. When you order your filters, you have to have the size and part number so you get the correct filter for your unit. And they do come like this, so you actually have to build them. On the filter, it does show you how to build a box, so if you forget, it's right there. The trick to building these filters is to try to keep all the corners up high until you get them all in. And slide it down. Make sure to attach all the tabs. There you go. Dirty filter, clean filter.